If you're searching for the best contractor table saws in 2025, you've landed in the right place. Whether you're a professional contractor, woodworker, or DIY enthusiast, choosing the right table saw is crucial for precision, durability, and efficiency. But with so many options available, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. That's where we come in. Today, we'll break down the top 4 contractor table saws that offer unmatched performance, safety, and value for money. In this video, we'll review the Makita 2705X1 SawStop CNS175TGP36 Powermatic PM1000 and Delta 36-5000 Contractor's Table Saw. These models have been tested for their cutting accuracy, motor power, durability, and ease of use. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs best. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tool reviews and buying guides. And if you find this video helpful, drop a like. Also be sure to check the description box and the first comment below for links to these table saws with the latest prices and exclusive deals. Now, let's get started. Makita 2705X1 Table Saw. The Makita 2705X1 Table Saw is a powerhouse designed for both job site and workshop use. Featuring a 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute, this saw can handle even the toughest materials with ease. The adjustable dual-side guards provide precision in measurements, while the large cutting capacity allows for effortless rip cuts. One of its standout features is the tool-less modular blade guard system, making blade changes and adjustments incredibly convenient. Its rolling stand offers portability without compromising stability, making it a favorite among contractors. Plus, with an electric brake for added safety and a rugged steel frame for durability, the Makita 2705X1 is built to last. If you need a versatile, high-performance table saw that balances power and portability, this is the one to beat. SawStop CNS175TGP36 Table Saw. When it comes to safety and precision, the SawStop CNS175TGP36 Table Saw stands in a league of its own. This 1.75 horsepower contractor table saw features SawStop's patented safety system, which immediately stops the blade upon detecting skin contact, preventing severe injuries. Beyond safety, this saw is built for precision and power, with a 36-inch T-glide fence system that provides smooth and accurate cuts. The cast iron table ensures stability, reducing vibrations for improved accuracy. Additionally, its dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, making it a great choice for both workshops and job sites. If safety is your top priority but you don't want to compromise on performance, the SawStop CNS175TGP36 is an excellent investment. Powermatic PM1000 Contractor Table Saw. For those looking for premium performance and durability, the Powermatic PM1000 delivers outstanding results. Powered by a 1.75 horsepower motor, this saw provides consistent power and smooth cuts. Its poly V-belt drive system significantly reduces vibrations, allowing for more precise work. The AccuFence system ensures straight and accurate cuts, while the oversized cast iron work surface offers ample space for large projects. One of the key highlights of the PM1000 is its superior dust collection system, which is highly effective in maintaining a clean workspace. Although it comes with a higher price tag, the Powermatic PM1000 is a long-term investment that offers top-tier performance, build quality, and reliability, making it a go-to choice for serious woodworkers. Delta 36-5000 Contractor's Table Saw. The Delta 36-5000 Contractor's Table Saw is an excellent blend of affordability, power, and precision. Featuring a 15-amp motor with a 5000 revolutions per minute blade speed, it's powerful enough to handle hardwood, softwood, and composite materials with ease. The sturdy steel rail system and precision machined aluminum fence ensure accurate cuts every time. One of its most impressive features is the one-piece rail system, which enhances durability and stability. Unlike many contractor saws, the Delta 36-5000 is relatively easy to assemble and comes with a mobility stand, making it a great choice for job site use. If you're looking for a dependable and budget-friendly table saw that delivers great performance without breaking the bank, the Delta 36-5000 is an excellent option. And that's our list of the best contractor table saws of 2025. We've covered 4 top-rated models, each offering unique advantages in power, precision, and safety. Whether you need the versatility of the Makita 2705X1 the unmatched safety of the SawStop CNS175TGP36, the premium build of the Powermatic PM1000, or the budget-friendly performance of the Delta 36-5000, there's a perfect choice for every woodworker and contractor. Which table saw stood out to you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews, buying guides, and woodworking tips. And remember, all the table saws featured in this video are linked in the description box and pinned comment below, so be sure to check them out for the best prices and exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.